GemFan and get FPV.
Alrighty, pilots, we are ready to go. Go ahead and arm those quadcopters. We're going to rock and roll on the tone in less than 5. All 4 off the blocks.
Fantastic shot of them all taken off. On board with Bilster, 3rd in traffic, 2 out in front of them, and those look to be Chief and Hyper in a battle for the 1-2, but this is just the opening lap here of race number 6, winner's bracket situation, as we go up to the skies and back down. Bilster has now reclaimed, no, it's going to be
Bull FPV
reclaiming the lead, then Bilster in 2nd, Hyper in 3rd, but only by about 4 seconds, and Chief in the number 4 spot. That's 1 down, 2 to go. Bull FPV, your leader, going up higher to the skies from Ascension Tower 1 to Inception Tower 2. Right behind him, Bilster. They're only half a gate apart here, 2 laps down.
Wow, a great battle between Chief and it looked to be Hyper for a second. His goggles are up right now. Chief running in the number 3 spot. Bull, FPV, and Bilster battling for the 1 right now as they're making their way to the Inception climb. There goes Bull FPV going up. There goes Bilster going up right in the number 2 spot. Both of them are through clean. They're coming around to our start finish. Chief trying to make up a little bit of time.
Chief is close.
Woo, that last lap from Chief was the fastest lap this round in 18.008. Not going to be enough for him to move on in our winners bracket, but he will be finishing in our he'll be moving on in our consolation bracket.
Which means they are up right now. Looks like no channel